Something unusual just surfaced, and it confirms that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor floating around the internet. Real-world footage of the device has appeared, giving creators their first genuine look at the camera outside controlled leaks. For months, discussions about the next Pocket camera have been based on speculation, listings, and hints from insiders. But now, an unexpected moment inside a retail store has changed that completely. The clip originated from an authorized DJI retailer located in Fahrenheit 88, right in the busy Bukit Bintang area of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Inside the drone's Kaki store, something unexpected happened. A customer casually walked in already holding the unreleased Pocket 4. The moment caught the store staff completely off guard. Realizing what they were seeing, they quickly grabbed a phone and recorded a short clip showing the device in action. The footage lasted about 33 seconds, but that was enough to spark a wave of discussion online. The video was briefly uploaded to Instagram before being removed not long after. Many believe the clip disappeared because DJI quickly stepped in once the leak was noticed. Even though the original post vanished, viewers had already saved screenshots and frames, which quickly spread across forums and social media. What makes this leak particularly interesting is that it represents the first genuine hands-on footage of the Pocket 4, outside earlier leaks that surfaced in China. Instead of blurry factory images or packaging photos, this clip shows the device actually being handled and powered on inside a real store environment. The design appears very familiar, but with several meaningful refinements. The camera still uses the compact form factor that made the Pocket series popular, along with the signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal. That stabilization system appears extremely smooth, reinforcing the camera's role as a quick grab tool for creators who want steady footage without carrying larger rigs. A key highlight visible in the footage is the display. The device features a flip-out 2-inch OLED screen, which should make framing shots much easier for solo filming. The screen also appears brighter than previous versions, suggesting improved visibility when filming outdoors in bright daylight. Control options also remain focused on simplicity. The body includes a physical joystick for adjusting the gimbal direction, along with several quick access buttons placed for one-hand operation. This layout clearly targets vloggers and travelers who often need to start recording quickly without digging through menus. Another noticeable upgrade is a built-in LED light positioned on the front of the camera. This small addition could solve a common problem for mobile creators. Instead of attaching external clip-on lighting, users can instantly add a bit of illumination when recording at night, capturing selfies in dim environments, or filming indoors where lighting conditions are less than ideal. Performance rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 have also started to circulate again following the leak. Some reports suggest the camera may support 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second. That would open the door for extremely smooth, slow-motion footage. There have also been whispers about potential 6K recording capability, though that detail remains unconfirmed. Part of this information reportedly came from a short-lived product listing on Amazon in Denmark. That listing hinted that shipping could begin sometime around March 2026, though no official launch announcement has been made yet. The imaging hardware is believed to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor, similar in size to the one used in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. However, improvements in sensor processing could deliver better performance in low-light situations, something many vloggers have been hoping for. Battery capacity may also see a noticeable jump. Early information suggests an increase from roughly 1,300 mAh to around 1,545 mAh. If those numbers hold true, recording time could stretch past 200 minutes, compared to about 166 minutes on the previous model. Connectivity is another area that appears to be evolving. Support for Wi-Fi 6 is rumored, which would allow faster wireless file transfers when sending footage to a phone or computer. That could significantly speed up the editing workflow for creators working on the move. The autofocus system and AI tracking seen in the clip also appear quick and responsive, suggesting that the camera continues DJI's focus on intelligent subject tracking for vlogs and action shots. Perhaps the biggest takeaway from this entire situation is timing. When a device shows up inside an authorized retail store, it usually means the official launch is getting very close. Inventory often begins moving through the distribution chain shortly before an announcement. A hands-on teaser video of the Insta360 Luna has surfaced online, giving the clearest real-world look yet at the upcoming camera. The leak, shared on February 26, 2026 by trusted tech insider Igor Bogdanov, shows the device being tested outdoors in what appears to be an urban Hong Kong setting. The footage confirms that Luna is not just a concept. It is a near-finished product already being used in real shooting conditions. The launch is officially expected in the first half of 2026, with March heavily rumored. The video highlights Luna's compact design and strong stabilization. The tester is seen holding the camera with a dedicated grip, and most of the physical controls sit naturally under the thumb and index finger. This layout clearly targets vloggers and solo creators who need quick access without adjusting their hold. The rotating touchscreen is positioned below the gimbal. It flips out and supports swipe gestures, allowing access to quick settings, live preview, zoom control, and menu navigation. AI-based live tracking is visible, with automatic panning and subject adjustment happening in real time. This suggests advanced onboard processing focused on smooth framing and smart subject detection. A large circular record button sits in the index finger position. It starts and stops 4K recording or captures photos instantly. A long press likely activates burst mode or quick cancel. Below the thumb area, there is a joystick-style directional control. This allows manual gimbal movement, menu navigation, field of view adjustments, and framing override. Dedicated zoom controls work alongside the joystick, supporting up to 3 times optical zoom between wide and telephoto lenses. A power and mode button is placed within easy reach for switching between shooting modes such as single lens, dual lens, or preview mode. A red LED indicator on the grip shows recording status, battery level, and connectivity. Additional side switches allow quick lens switching between wide and tele options. The Luna journey started earlier in February 2026 when the CEO of Insta360, Liu Jingkang, officially revealed the camera name and first image. During that announcement, the company confirmed a first-half 2026 launch window. Soon after, an official teaser video appeared online showing strong depth performance and realistic background separation using a dual-sensor system. This depth effect looks more natural than what we see on the DJI Pocket 3. It may even outperform the standard edition of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to launch on March 26, 2026 with a single-lens module. However, a full comparison will only be fair once the expected Pocket 4 Pro arrives later in mid-2026. Earlier prototype leaks in January revealed that Luna features a modular design. The camera reportedly includes swappable lenses and a twist mechanism that allows partial disassembly. This means users may be able to switch lenses or use the camera module independently. That flexibility could be a major advantage for creators who want portability without sacrificing image quality. Based on current leaks, the Insta360 Luna is expected to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The camera should support up to 3 times optical zoom, enabling real optical background blur instead of software simulation. Video specs are rumored to include 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and AI-powered stabilization. Real-time portrait modes and depth enhancement are also expected. Internally, dual processors are rumored to handle automatic image optimization and stabilization. Wireless microphone integration is likely included, and multiple color variants may be offered beyond basic black. Pricing is expected to fall between $400 and $600 depending on configuration. A standard version may include a single lens, while a Pro version could feature the full dual-lens system. Availability will likely begin in China before expanding globally. With DJI preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4, competition is intensifying. Since both brands directly target vloggers and compact camera users, timing will be critical. Based on current information, the Insta360 Luna could launch before or very close to March 26, 2026. Everything now points to a near-term release. The hardware appears finished, real-world testing is underway, and official teasers have already started building momentum.